In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix can't connect to CS network. Let's get started. First, open the start menu and search for Windows network connections. Once it appears, click on it. Now locate your active internet connection. Right-click on it and select the option Properties. From the list, select Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate DNS. Click OK to save the changes. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Command Prompt. Once it appears, click on the option Run as Administrator. Now go ahead and type in the command prompt ipconfig space /DNS and press enter. After that, type netdish winchock reset and press enter again. Once both commands are completed, restart your computer to apply the changes. After rebooting, launch CS2 again and check if the network issue is resolved. In most cases, resetting DNS and network settings fixes the connecting to network error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.